Hey, what's going on YouTube? I got a stock recommendation down in the comments, so I just wanted to go over it. STEM from Rick Mesh or Gary Mesh, excuse me. He's recommending STEM, and he's telling me to look at the daily chart. Daily's too hard to figure out where the trend is going, so you have to go on a longer term. That's my first recommendation. Here's a weekly chart. I looked at the monthly, but it wasn't, since it's a penny stock and I'm using a free service, it's not very accurate, I don't think. And here we have the weekly chart, which is just as well. We can find the trend. I'm using the 34 simple moving average, and you can see over the long term using this moving average on a weekly chart, you can see where price always kind of smooths right around it, always goes right around it. So right now, as we're looking at it today, we're below that moving average, and the last time it hit it, it kind of moved around it and then went back down. So until I see the trend has changed, which it looks pretty good, I like it, and if I had a few $1,000s, I'd probably go running to the bank, because it looks like an easy move once it gets above our trend. But then we have a bunch of resistance to climb above. So what I think is going to happen is it's going to break above this. It's going to do a bullish retracement, so it's going to make an exhaustive move, consolidate above the line, come back and touch it. The faster the move, the bigger the move later. So what I'm seeing also is the MACD has churned over, gone positive on the weekly, and has diverged from the bottom. So it looks good. I think it's got some momentum, but where we have resistance is this line here. So I think the price will pop up to this line, consolidate, and then we also have resistance right at the 50% of this long candle. So right around 75. So it's got 25 points to move initially, but it needs to consolidate under those resistance and then break support. And then you have, because this thing's been going down for so long, you got resistance going all the way up. But it looks like a good, from 50, it could reach $1, no doubt, on an exhaustive move. Just depends on how powerful it is. I haven't read any news on it or anything else. I'm strictly technical. So let me just write one more line as a final resistance that I was looking at on the monthly. So it looks good. It's broken that long trend line coming down, and it's got, I think it's got momentum right now to get past the trend, consolidate above the trend, and move forward. But that doesn't say much for a stock that has just been unloading and printing shares to fund their stem cell research. I remember trading this a while ago, years and years ago. So there you have it. That's what I'm looking at. The daily chart, just to rehash, I got too many lines going on for the daily, but that last move here, it gapped up and closed down. That is that's a bullish move. So I would agree that it is bullish. Here on the daily, it's got to fill this gap. So from 50 to 80, And an exhaustive move to the dollar, it could be a double bagger. Keystone this thing. Anyways, there you have it. Thank you for your comment, and let me know what you guys think. Just a little bit off topic of precious metals, but thought it would be worthwhile to do an answer to the comment on the other video. Thanks for watching.